Meet Pingu, a penguin who dreams bigger than the ice around him. He is different, gentle, and trapped in a cold place that doesn't understand his heart. Every night he stares through the frozen window, wondering what freedom feels like. Pingu! Buddy! They're moving you tomorrow, this is it. Tonight, we run. Run. Freedom. Really? One night. One choice. What if everything could change forever? Freedom isn't easy. The world is hotter, louder, and lonelier than Pingu imagined. So hot. I need water. Hey little guy, hop on. Ocean taxi service. Sometimes help arrives when you least expect it. I'm Shelly. You don't look like you belong here. I escaped, and you're amazing. For the first time, Pingu feels seen. But even paradise has storms, and some hearts carry old scars. I lost my love in a storm like this. Penguins love for life. I'm scared to lose again. Then, I'll wait. Even just as friends. True courage isn't holding on. It's understanding. The waves run. And suddenly, the storm decides their fate. Washed ashore in a world of lights, Pingu survives. It's beautiful. Just when hope feels fragile, the past returns. Ping, I studied penguins. I'm heading to Antarctica. I can take you home. Sunny, Shelly, I love you. Then let's build our world together. Under the fireworks, hearts finally find their place. In the end, Ping finds more than freedom. He finds belonging. Happy New Year, everyone. Don't get too comfy. More adventures ahead, because our differences are what make us strong. Subscribe for more heartwarming animal adventures. Next,